How to download all your photos from your Google Photos. First, you want to open your Google Photo on your browser. Once you open it, click on your Google's profile picture at the top right and then click on Manage your Google account option. From inside here, you want to click on the option Data and Privacy. From inside this settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you see Data from Apps and Service. Then you want to click on Apps and Services over here, right below it. Then you want to scroll down until you see Photos. Right beside Photos, you will see Download. Click on it. And then it's going to take you to this page. Wait for some time now. It's going to process all the photos and videos. Then once you do this, click on Next Step. And you want to choose Export Once. And you want to choose Send Download Link via email. And you can choose the format in which you want it to be downloaded. You want the file size to be 50 GB. Of course, you're not going to have 50 GB storage, alright? Just choose 50 GB and click on Create Export. Once you do that, a download link will be sent to your mail. Whichever mail you have over here, like your Google account, check that mail. Google will send you a link, and from that link, you can download your photos. That's how you guys can download all of your Google Photos at once. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.